Bye, Scooter.
Your baby head over here. No, no. Oh, good idea. Good call. Bye, Piper.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Third.
What you doing? How many electronics do you have plus some yarn? Yeah? Well, you got that camera around your neck. And you got some yarn. You gonna take it off? You can figure it out?
Piper, your string. It's neglected.
Electronics are more important.
Okay, I'm out of here.
You're just gonna take the tiny one? No, never mind.
No. Of course not.
You want both?
Oh,
Oh, you're gonna drag it. Alright.
Good idea.
Mommy will be happy to watch this one.
Piper, you got your string. Here, just grab this little part. There you go. Oh, good girl.
You figured it out?
She thought she did.
Did you figure it out? Maybe.
Like a camera disguise.
I know.
It's being a hat.
Oh, that's a camera. That's a video camera. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty amazing, huh? You see? Yeah, there's your string. Yeah, it's already playing. It's already playing. Yeah. Yep. Oh, you pulling your yarn? You pulling your yarn? Oh, I wasn't recording that whole thing.
You weren't?
No.
No! That was the first one we got on the I thought it was on tape.
Oh no, I just noticed. Maybe she'll do it again.
Yeah, not really.
Took us like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
You need some string? Here you go. There you go. Alright, you're all set.
You're all set.
You're all set.
No, I'm not. I'm stripping. Oh, good girl. Better find the right piece of string.
Oh yeah, put that there. Good job.
Good job. You got that netter camera.
Yep.
Oh, look at
You look all set. You look like you're all set.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. See you later. See you later, adventure.
You got all your stuff. Yeah, you're all set, Pumps. Oh yeah, you better take that one. Good idea. Okay, bye for real.
Okay, bye for real.
Yeah.
Won't you find a picture?
Oh, who's that?
Who is in the picture?
I don't really care.
The camera tastes good.
Yummy.
Yummy camera. Booba.
You licking your baby lips. You're so silly.
Licking your lips. Licking your lips. Mm-hmm. Yeah, get that piece.
What is it? Oh.
Good job. Get that string. See ya.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye. Oh, get that wet piece. Good idea. What are you doing? No. For real lost adventure, baby. Baby, you got away. Yeah, I know. Oh, hi, Piper.
Hi.
Nice try, guys. Bye.
See ya.
What are you doing out here? Thought you were the big baby adventurer. No time for any frivolous other things. All you need is some string and 2 cameras. One of them preferably broken.
You gonna take it off? You gonna take them all off?
Yeah, you almost got
Can
it.
you get it?
You almost got it.
Almost did. Almost. There you go.
Oh, now the strings are on your neck.
That's potentially dangerous.
Pretty potentially dangerous for babies, whatever.
You're free.
You're free. What are you gonna do now? Got some string on your camera? That's unfortunate.
Oh yeah?
I'm afraid I don't remember.
There's lots of books. Hey Piper, can you wave bye to the camera? Say bye, camera. Can you say bye?
Like, who am I saying bye to?
You got your tatters? Oh boy.
Here, Casey.
Hi Piper. Hi, beauty. What you doing? What happened to the remote? Look at your baby ears.